Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and beloved friends, today, I stand before you not merely as a speaker, but as a messenger of a profound truth that lies within each and every one of us: the power of self-belief. In a world fraught with challenges and uncertainties, where dreams often seem distant and obstacles insurmountable, it is imperative that we hold steadfast to the belief in ourselves. For it is this belief, this unwavering faith in our abilities, that serves as the cornerstone of success, the catalyst for greatness, and the guiding light through the darkest of times. But what does it truly mean to believe in oneself? It is more than just a fleeting thought or a passing fancy. It is a deep-seated conviction that resonates in the very core of our being. It is the unshakable confidence that we possess the strength, the resilience, and the determination to overcome any obstacle that stands in our way. It is the recognition of our own worth, our own potential, and our own capacity to achieve greatness. Believing in oneself is not about arrogance or hubris. It is about acknowledging our own worthiness, our own uniqueness, and our own inherent ability to make a difference in the world. It is about recognizing that each and every one of us has something valuable to offer, something that only we can contribute to the tapestry of humanity. But why is self-belief so crucial? Why does it matter more than talent, intelligence, or even luck? The answer lies in the very nature of human psychology. Our beliefs shape our thoughts shape our actions, and our actions shape our destiny. When we believe in ourselves, we unleash a torrent of creativity, passion, and drive that propels us forward towards our goals. We become unstoppable forces of nature, capable of achieving feats that others might deem impossible. Think of the greatest achievers throughout history, from Leonardo da Vinci to Albert Einstein, from Oprah Winfrey to Elon Musk. What do they all have in common? They possessed an unwavering belief in themselves and their vision. They refused to be deterred by the naysayers, the doubters, or the obstacles that stood in their path. Instead, they forged ahead with courage and conviction, knowing that failure was merely a stepping stone on the path to success. But let us not delude ourselves into thinking that the road to self-belief is easy. Far from it. It is a journey fraught with challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. There will be times when we feel like giving up, when the weight of the world seems too heavy to bear. But it is during these darkest of moments that our belief in ourselves is put to the ultimate test. It is during these moments that we must dig deep, find our inner strength, and press on with even greater determination than before. So how do we cultivate this belief in ourselves? How do we nurture it and allow it to flourish? The answer lies in self-awareness, self-acceptance, and self-love. We must take the time to truly understand ourselves, our strengths, our weaknesses, our fears, and our aspirations. We must learn to accept ourselves unconditionally, flaws and all, recognizing that it is our imperfections that make us truly unique. And above all, we must learn to love ourselves, not in a narcissistic or self-absorbed way, but in a deep and profound manner that allows us to embrace our own worthiness and value. But self-belief does not exist in a vacuum. It is nurtured and reinforced by the support and encouragement of those around us. We must surround ourselves with positive influences, mentors, friends, and loved ones who believe in us even when we struggle to believe in ourselves. Their unwavering faith in our abilities serves as a beacon of hope, guiding us through the stormy seas of doubt and uncertainty. In conclusion, my dear friends, I urge you to never underestimate the power of self-belief. It is the driving force behind every great achievement, the fuel that propels us towards our dreams, and the light that guides us through the darkest of times. So let us embrace our own worthiness, let us celebrate our own uniqueness, and let us believe in ourselves with every fiber of our being. For when we do, there is no limit to what we can achieve.